Your website is already live online. You can change how it looks and what it says anytime from your dashboard. No coding required. Log into your dashboard. On the left menu, click Landing Page Designer. This is where you change how your site looks. Start with templates, then open Style for colors and fonts. Use Layout to reorder sections. The preview on the right shows what visitors see. Click Site Content in the left menu. Edit your headline, about text, and contact details. When you save, you will see a confirmation. Every time you save in your dashboard, your live website updates right away. No developer or separate publish step needed. Not sure what to write? Click Writing Help to ask Charlie for ideas. Charlie only suggests you review and approve everything. You are all set. Start free at everyonegetsawebsite.com.